So they can understand how much what nanometer chips are in market more, what will be the demand in the future. So based on that, even the manufacturing plants, they can do some transformations. So that is how we can enhance the manufacturing setup with the latest technology, so that we can create lower nanometer node chips. Then coming to sustainability by improving power and efficiency in chip design. That means during the chip design stage. So during the chip design itself, we can add some more functionalities, more optimization and more innovation, so that once the chip is ready, once the chip is coming out into the market, it will be able to be more sustainable. So some technique are like process optimization, like it will be minimizing the leakage current. So leakage current, that and all means once if the device is not on, if it is not working, there might be some current will be leaking. So all those things that can be taken care during the chip design itself by doing the process optimization. Then we can have some architectural innovation like low power design, voltage scaling, clock gating, power gating. So all these things mean if we have a mobile device, we won't be using all the functionalities at a time. We won't be seeing a video and at the same time we won't be calling. So depending on, for example, depending on like that, if one functionality is working and if the other functionality is not needed, we can shut down that domain. So that is how they do this power gating. So the power to a particular part of the circuit which is not used, that can be shut down. Or the even the clock also. Clock is always operating. Always it is like switching 1 and 0. So all, just the switching activity itself, it will be producing more heat and all. So if that part of the circuit is not working, using this clock gating, we can shut the clock supply to that portion of the circuit. So that is architectural innovation. So using that, we can reduce the power in our design. Then dynamic power management. So that is depending on the load. If there is more workload is needed, more voltage can be used in the chips. And if the workload is less, they can reduce the voltage. So they can conserve the energy during the idle periods. And also hardware software co-design. So there is efforts between hardware and software engineers also. There are many energy efficient algorithm and optimization techniques. So based on that, they can have a co-design, and finally we can achieve a sustainable chip. So these are the some of the ways how we can overcome the challenges. These are some of the use cases with Gen AI. So in almost all the stages, we can also have Gen AI can assist us. So in the design stage, Gen AI, they can help in optimizing the chip design. So using Gen AI, we can gather large amount of data and we can analyze the data. We can understand what are the newer technologies that can be used. So based on that, we'll be able to produce newer chip and faster time to market. When the time to market is reduced, we'll be able to reduce the chip design cost. We can have faster design iterations. So once the chip is ready to market faster, it will be also that product itself will be coming out to the market faster. Then fabrication. So using Gen AI, we can improve the manufacturing process. We can reduce the defects, enhance the quality through data driven. Then we can also have high reliability, high performance. So in the fabrication, if we have Gen AI, we can reduce the product cost. We can improve the product quality. So it will be improving the yield rate. So yield means if they're on the wafer, we have 100 chips. So how many number of chips are properly working and how many are defected. So if more chips are good, that means yield rate is good. And defect densities, how many of them are going defective. So using it in fabrication, we can reduce the number of defects and we can improve the yield. Then coming to supply chain. So using Gen AI, we can also have a forecast demand. So using that, we can understand from where more demand will be coming and where our materials will be available, from where we can get more silicon ingots and what type of chip, what nanometer technology, what is the demand is more. So they can forecast the demand and accordingly they can get ready their devices. and also in research and innovation. So here also this Gen AI is helping us with more accelerated R&D efforts. So we can increase the number of patents, reduce the design cost, that research design cost, everything can be reduced. So this is some of the Gen AI, with Gen AI how we can improve the design and all. This is all from my side. So if we have any doubts, I'll show we have one channel page also in Lex. So this we have created in Lex. You can search for Semicon Academy. I'll share the link. So all the courses that we are taking now, it is present in this channel page. So in this channel page, not only on semiconductor landscape. So together with INSEMI, from INSEMI also, they have also created some hands-on courses. So based on their inputs, we have created this channel page. So here we have semicon developer onboarding. So inside these basic skills, we have this semiconductor basics. So landscape L100, that is what I'm taking now. And also processes is also there. That is little more deeper on all these chip design and all. Then these are the different stages. So in the chip design, we saw there is RTL design, design for test, synthesis, layout design, physical design. So there are various courses based on each of these designs. And even for sales and managers, for that them also there are courses are there. This is based on this is sim digital story. So this link also I share. So this is the course that we are taking now. Want to know more into the different topics, you can visit this channel page, Semicon Academy. And there are also certain certifications. So the Semicon Associate, for that we need to have only this landscape and also basic digital electronics. So we also have courses on that. If you come to digital electronics, so in digital basics, we have basic digital, sequential logic, combinational logic. So if we know about all those electronic basics, then you'll be able to complete this Infosys certified Semicon Associate. Then rest of them are based on these different ones on design for test. Yeah, skill tag is also there. Skill tag we are working on it. I think by this quarter it will be ready. Skill tags for all these different stages, like for static timing, physical design, professional design and verification. For each and everything, we are having these skill tags. And even for the semicon associate, we have a basic skill tag. By end of this quarter, the skill tags will be ready.
So for reskilled, which course will get added if you do
For basic one.
basic one?
Yeah, basic one, mostly we are covering this digital basic and semiconductor basics, the first two. Digital electronics, sequential, combinational, and the landscape L100. So landscape L100 and digital stories, it's a combination of these two courses,
Got
L100 and processes. So these two I've combined and I've taken digital stories. So for opportunities, you can mail to this mail ID is there. Share this mail ID also. If anyone have any queries regarding opportunity, you can mail to this. So in this mail, we have added delivery team also, and even the INSEMI team. Everyone is there in this mail chain. Yeah, that is all from my side. So anyone have any doubts? Have some more time.
Yeah, and so it's Arun here.
Yes.
Thanks for the presentation. I missed the first part. Okay, so what do you do? What do you do in this semiconductor space in Infosys?
Mostly we are into design stages, all the chip
Okay,
design stages.
so you are part of the design team, is it?
I am part of ETA team, education training and yeah.
Okay.
So design mostly now we have acquired Insemi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in Insemi they are doing the chip design.
Okay.
Who is the client actually here, which you are referring
Semi
to the data?
mostly they have Qualcomm, AMD. So those are
Oh,
their clients. So this is Insemi.
uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay.
Mostly in the chip design phase we have. Fabrication we don't have. Chip design we have. All these stages they have projects. Clients I think mostly Qualcomm and AMD.
Okay, okay.
Even even Intel, we may be having something, right? Because we have a big.
Yeah, actually in Infosys they have all the companies, but they are into software, mostly in the software field. Yeah, and the semiconductor projects I think we have to get now. All Intel, AMD, Global Foundry, all are their clients in Infosys itself, but not in the semiconductor field. I think they are mostly into software projects.
So
Right.
going forward, we will have the Semi projects in other DCs also, right? Right now it's only in Bangalore. So
Yeah, in Hyderabad also, I think they have few of their team is there. In Hyderabad also, it's there. In semi team is there. Hyderabad, I think they have already shifted into Infosys campus. This session recording, it's not enabled.
हेलो श्रुति विवेक वेयर इज माधुरी अभी लोग एक पर थे ना हम्म
Yeah, hello.
हम्म
Yes, who is this? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so thank you everyone. So if you have any more queries, you can mail to semicon_competency at infosys.com. And you can also visit our channel page, Semicon Academy.
okay,
Thank you,
Thank
Ranjan.
thank
you.
you.
Yeah, there is some issue in the DL. Maybe you can expand that list and send for now. I'll be correcting it in future. Now it is showing some restricted. So you can expand that mailing list. So you'll be able to get all the people who are there in that mailing list and you can send the mail. Thank you, everyone.
Here what I did is like this is a routine one and then I am using the just to list and every list is connected and then submit and based on the submit I am passing the information or sampling and submit and it gives us skip and vice versa. This is like this is offset and if there is any duplicate value, then it will be the first like okay, again okay, you're saying that then I have to use the function star ID. for or wait, okay. In that case, then like is that distinct. No need of yeah.
Okay, if I would have to find second one,
Second one, they are second is simply yeah. It will in second model then distinct and it will skip the first verse and it will give us
have you moved on to Kafka or
I'm sorry, we are using algorithm in our
and what about MySQL?
MySQL, yeah, we are using MySQL. What was it?
Okay, do you know the difference between dates, rank and rank?
Schedule.
Rank and dates rank.
Sorry.
Okay, no issue.
Actually, in our we in our MySQL we used to fix it and we used to raise queries and also like technically I have on my choice. You can ask me to by having create
Yeah, we are developers only. Don't need it. Okay, have I asked how do microservices communicate with each other?
yeah, in our generally we can go for REST API which is a serverless communication. So and also in our project we are using web file service which is a asynchronous communication. So using the service registry we have a separate service registry. Using the service registry the web client service we used to discount the services. We don't use it, we can work but we use the service registry. So the web client service used to discount the service and we used to get the URL particular API and using that API again we used to get the responses using the web client service. So which is asynchronous.
Kafka is synchronous or asynchronous?
So I think asynchronous. We just do handle those of according to my knowledge.
Can you tell me the difference between @AutoWire and @controller?
Iterate automatically is for the communication. They were taking the things in the particular class, each of the class, for this component. And whereas iterate controller is for mapping. It is telling that the SDKs are different. SDKs for mapping the, you can say like, it is just to tell the SDK that this is for containing the EKS. Is a specific type of is a specific type of component.
One more question. After we will can you tell me how you want external service?
Not additional services. In our case, like I think is market.web and service, external service. We in our client like we to instead of whatever we to, of course we can review the output, but you can also use the direct for that service and using that service object name and the method we pass that in market.web and then return whatever that we are expecting or then true if we are expecting that.
Got it. You can stop sharing. Currently you are going like 21
5 days.